Hi, in today's lesson we are going to explore the use of tables in OpenOffice Writer. Let's go to the menu bar and select the Table tab. In order to add a new table to the text document, we choose Insert and then Table. A dialog window appears with options for the new table. We choose how many columns and how many rows our table should have. And of course we can name the table as we like. There are some other options available as well, but we will discuss them later. Usually the first row of the table is the main row and we will take care it stands out from the rest. In that direction we will horizontally center its text. Make its font bigger. With different color. And also its background will be in different color. When our table stretches on multiple pages, we want the first row to show at the beginning of every page. To achieve that, we right-click on the table, select Table from the menu. A table format window appears. From there we choose the tab Text Flow. We check Repeat Heading. The first row automatically appeared on the second page. From now on it will appear on every page. Let's fill some table cells with data. Check out something interesting. What will happen if we repeat the previous steps by opening the Table Format dialog, then clicking the Text Flow tab and clicking the first two rows in Repeat Heading? As we can see, the second row also automatically appeared on the second page and will automatically appear on every page of this table. We don't want that to happen, so we choose only the first row to repeat. Now let's take care of the date format. We select the cell in which the date is and right-click on it. Then we choose Number Format. We can choose which type of date formatting we like from this window. We can even change the language. And we can do the same with the time format. Don't forget to save the document and give it a name. Save it in doc format so that it can be opened in Microsoft Word. The name and the format extension appear on the title bar, which is on top of the application window. Write some more text in the next row of the table. If you click enter, the cell height increases by one default text row. So you should click backspace to revert it to the previous state. Now, let's explore if we can adjust the number format of the date cells with Format Painter. I guess that Format Painter brush doesn't work on number formats. So we must do it the regular way. When empty cells are selected, you should be careful which category you select because date is not selected by default. You do the same with the time cells. Save the changes. Write some more. The dates and time appear in the desired format automatically. Now, let's see what else we can do with the table. As usually, open the table format window. Explore the tab borders. Go to line arrangement and explore all the presets. First, try out the no borders preset. As you can notice, the borders are invisible. This you can see best if you go to the menu bar, then File and then Page Preview. Now outer border only preset. Outer border with inner horizontal lines. Outer border with all inner lines. The last preset will be reviewed some other time. Go to the line section and then go to Style. You can choose many different styles. You can change the line thickness. Also, the color of the lines can be changed. What else is in the table format window? Go to the Background tab and choose Color. The background color applies only to the selected cells. Okay, we have learned enough for now. Next time we will try to go more in depth about tables.